Go.
Hey everyone, it's Kyra here, and I'm with George. George is under the table. Hi George, hi George. So we are going to be opening up these two little surprises. An LOL surprise, dance, dance, dance. And this baby born surprise, mini babies, which is brand new. So first up, I'm going to be opening up this because we all know what LOL surprises are. The zipper! George, do you see the zipper?
There's 8 surprises in this one.
Yeah! Heavy! Think this one's supposed to be retro or 80s?
I think so,
Ah! It could be the 80s. I don't know. There's nothing in here. Come on. I think I might be doing this wrong. Glitter! Gold glitter.
Glitter ball.
Let me just put this trash over here because we don't like trash. Seems like it's. Ta-da! This is so pretty, this ball. We have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. This is hard to do. Okay, I'm gonna do
They look like this.
this thing first.
They look like
I'm gonna do
this.
this blue thing first.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay.
Got my fingers in the
I
way.
think this is like. What's
Oh my
this?
goodness, that's a top. I showed it to the camera.
Try spin it and see on the front.
Ooh, I'm gonna hypnotize you.
That's really good, actually. Except we're gonna do this. It's a black light. These things are
Ooh.
really good. I love black lights.
Mm-hmm.
If you have spy pens, you can get these invisible ink spy pens, and they come with black light
So we got this
and the black light.
and the black light.
Next up, we're gonna open up this. This is another top, I think.
Oh,
I bet it must go together.
yeah.
You can put them.
Maybe.
Trying to figure it out.
Well, that's kind of cool.
Looks like an alien.
Sounds like an alien too.
So we got all these things.
We're gonna open up this now. Look how pretty this bottle is.
Oh, there you go.
Pink and blue. Could be a girl or a boy.
This.
Next thing that we have is a basket outfit.
It's an outfit. This looks like a skirt and a.
Top.
Can we show the camera,
Stand
please?
up. Stand up. Next up,
Kyra.
we are going. Next up,
Cute.
we are going to open up this bag. That is a necklace.
Ooh.
Pretty. Perfect for the bobbies. I love it.
Tiny.
I know, it's like perfect for opal and crystal. Open up this. Shoes. 2 shoes, so you know it's not an animal.
No.
These shoes are so cool. Very 80s and retro. Step, we are open up this. Sorry guys, don't really look at. What's this?
Maybe a stand?
Could be a stand. Shoe stand.
Shoe stand?
Shoe stand.
Think, actually. You flip it around. You might put it in there.
I don't know.
Maybe you put it in this hole.
Yeah.
Because then it seems like the shoes go
the
in
shoes
like
seems
that.
like it fits like this.
We're figuring it out. We're figuring it out.
We can do that off camera. Next up, we have this.
Oh, another piece.
Another piece. Look at this. Wait, is
Is
that
it
a
a
purse
purse?
or a binky?
Looks like
Could
a
be.
a purse, a very thin purse.
Or it could be a banky. Could be a binky.
Yep. Oh, is this the last one?
The last one. What do you guys think it's gonna be?
I think it's a girl, African American with an afro.
Afro?
Oh my God!
No. What? Mom, how did you do that? What?
She can be related to
Yeah.
Matthew. Not Matthew. Stevie.
How
No,
did you guess,
that's not-
Mom?
It's not. No, wait. Nia's not. No, it's Kitty and Stevie. I'm a pharaoh.
Well, look at this.
Disco fever. Look.
What does it do?
This is cute.
But we could have gotten any of these.
Let me find who we are. We got Radio Queen. Wait, we did not get Radio Queen.
This is a very cool outfit you have.
Did you get a shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this
We
is
got-
skirt.
Radio Queen, and she
That goes over her head.
got Radio Queen.
No, I don't know. We know these are her little shoes. I think glitter all over
She is
my
on
hands.
Channel 5, Radio Queen.
You got her?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So we need to put our outfit together.
Yeah, but let's do that.
So
on
let's
camera.
do.
Let's get.
No, you pull off her head.
No! Let's not do that in front of the children watching. Don't do that in front of the children watching!
Don't fight, please.
Don't do it in front of the children watching because it's just gross.
But that's how you get on her clothes. Yes.
No! Stop. Next up, we're going to open up this mini babies. How many babies do we get?
Wait. Let's see what it says. Is it twin or a triplet?
What do you think? I'll say triplets.
I'd say
Twins, probably.
quadruplets.
That's not one of the choices.
How do I get this open?
Let me see. Mini babies. How many babies will you get? Okay, let's just snip off this.
Quadruplets!
Snip off this bow because it's.
Let's
Can you help Mom? I'm holding the camera. Yes.
And then this is a rubber band. There you go.
There we go.
Blanket is actual blanket.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
this would be really. Come on, why won't you open? And it came in a carriage, a crib. I mean, a crib. Came in a crib. Why do they call it carriage? Ah! I can do it. That's what old-timey scissors are for. These scissors are rusty. That's what old-timey scissors are for.
Why do they make this stuff so
I
hard?
know, it's for children to open. Thank you. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere.
Alright, we could have done all of these.
I know.
And you guessed an afro. Like how? How, Mom? Are you a psychic?
No. All right.
What are we getting?
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Twins. Let's see.
Oh my god, they're in bags. They're suffocating. They're suffocating.
So cute. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, they are so cute. I recommend this for anybody who has a kid that likes to play with dolls.
And it comes in a.
It comes in this awesome crib, awesome blanket, and they're now $5.99
Hole.
at Kohl's.
This is an eggplant.
And it's not cheap.
It's an eggplant. Bottle thing.
And there's a collector's guide. Let me just get this out. One thing I don't recommend about
So
this.
this is what they look like. These are the little babies.
We got the two, and then she can be part of the family.
Oh yeah.
And
the mother. I'm not the mother. Hello. You gotta be a little sister.
No, won't worry about that now.
I found the collector.
And they come in this little eggplant thing. Now put them in here.
Eggplants for life.
I want to get triplets. I think that would be cool.
My fingers.
Dance. We need to figure out how this thing goes.
Yeah.
What is the black light for? I'm so confused.
I
I
got
don't think
it.
that goes like
Let's
that.
see who we got. I got this.
No, she got the plastic on.
Okay, let's see.
What have we gotten? Let's see.
We got tulip twins.
They are super cute.
Oh wait, so it's not an eggplant? It's a
Tulip. Tulip twins.
oh, it's a tulip, not an eggplant.
We
guys.
can get frosting twins, candy triplets, sundae twins, apple twins, banana triplets, berry twins, rose twins, green pea triplets,
Ooh,
and we have
those
the
look
tulip
so
twins.
cute. I want those.
I'm a tulip. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Just Kyra and a Cat. And we out to you. Have a great day too.